Getting ready to do a restoration on this 1987 Toyota 4-wheel drive. Gonna fix all the dents, completely restore it, paint the bumpers black. Got a new valance to go at the bottom. Straighten the bumpers. Gonna paint the wheels black. Got new factory stripes coming. Doing a total restoration on this. Got new carpet. Gonna fix the bed line the bed. Paint peeling off the top, got a little rust. Gotta go around and dig the caulking out around these seams. Got a little rust creeping through. Gonna sandblast those and fix that. Gonna paint the back bumper. Got a spot in the tailgate right here to fix. Overall though, it's in really good shape. A good place to start. Gonna recover the seats. A little spot of rust in the floorboard right there to repair. Looking for a dash. We gotta find a dash pad for it. Anybody knows where one's at? Give us a heads up. It'll be a nice little truck though, we'll get done with it. Stay tuned.